Hello, good afternoon, everybody. We all are aware that every nation around the world has some specific standard performances, some good moral values that has to be learned and benefit from them. So today we'll be looking at what are the things that defines the essential quality of the Somali people. And I hope this will help everybody to understand our people better. However, we will not talk about culture here, religion, or even charisma. That we are beautiful people, spiritually, physically, and morally. Truth to be told, I also realize what I'm saying, it may sound a little bit outlandish to some people out there who are always judging us by the state of their mind or something they saw on television and social media about the condition of our people in today. About killing, shooting, conspiring, and bombing each other. But the fact is, those wicked people who directly and indirectly involve the destruction of the country are really sick as hell, and they do not need a doctor who work on their body, but they need a doctor who work on their mind and against their harsh unrighteousness. By the way, that is not our subject here today. Without further ado, Somali people are good in many things in life. But the things that I want to bring up here today is number one, by the grace of God, we've been escaped some of the major disease that this modern world is struggling with. We call racism and hatred against somebody else. Racism is a big issue in many countries today, and it's very high all the time. We do not have that attitude or unequal treatment in our country at all. The LGBT and homosexuality groups, you will never find in and out of the country a Somali man chasing another man or a woman chasing another woman, hardly ever. Gang violence, drug dealers, low-down people, and of course depression. We all have ups and downs just like anybody else. That's part of life. But I believe our people have not gone through up to that miserable level yet. Did you know that 80% of Somali are skinny and healthy people? Of course you don't know. Did you know that the type of vast majority of Somali blood is O negative, which means they are helpful society and they like volunteerism work without being invited to do so? Did you know that our beautiful Somali girls are more intelligent than boys? They never go out wearing bikini or any kind of low-cut clothes. And I'm telling you, they look after their family. They never brought family to eat outside. They serve a nice food at home that you can eat with your shoes on. And that's why we've been given to them the utmost respect, whether she's a mother, sister, or a wife. And we keep them very close at home. In addition to that, there is a strong relationship within each and every Somali household when it comes to giving and support. A good example of that is those of us who got the opportunity to study overseas. With the absence of government support, when they go back home, they will not pay back anything to their parents. It's been accepted, generosity. One of the amazing things above all is Somali people love and pay tribute to the other peoples more than enough than their own people. Well, what does that mean? It means if any internationals go to Somalia, whether you want to study or work, you will be respected and protected by the entire society, and you will definitely live to the fullest of your life. When it comes to dealing and working in a day-to-day activities with the Somali community, I mean in a workplace, things doesn't work out, things go wrong, Somali people never go with the problems. They rather bring the solutions and fresh ideas if the essence of listening is being given to them. They are very good in accepting and forgiving people. No matter what went wrong yesterday, the next morning he or she is your best friend. They work very hard and they separated what they do from who they are. They are well-organized people. They respect the law of the countries they have been visited, and they don't disturb people too. They smile more than any other black Africans. They are clean and trustworthy people. you will never regret being friends with them. If you have any Somali friends, please keep that friendship going and don't be jealous, because that's how damn good we are. And finally, I'm not exposing our values and principles upon anybody, but I am promoting part of good attributes that Somalis are depicted. This is part of my responsibility as a Somali citizen to show the world that naturally we are good people, and at the same time we condemn those devil individuals, materialistic, mercenaries and greedy people who want to advance their personal interest over and above the national interest. Thank you.